Whitney Houston didn't just die from drugs, her arteries were quietly clogging for decades. Atherosclerosis, a slow buildup of cholesterol plaque in your arteries. You don't feel it, you don't see it, and for many people, the first symptom is a heart attack. Millions swallow pills daily to control cholesterol, but here's the scary part, even people doing everything right still have heart attacks. So, what if instead of managing cholesterol, we could switch off the problem at its source? Scientists are testing something called epigenetic silencing. Unlike CRISPR, this isn't cutting your DNA. Here, chemical tags are used to mute the PCSK9 gene, the gene that blocks your body's natural cholesterol vacuum. By silencing the PCSK9 gene, the liver produces significantly more receptors to mop up LDL from the blood. If the LDL levels kept permanently low, plaques stop growing and in some cases can even shrink. In 2026, therapies like STX1150 are moving into human trials. One infusion of lipid nanoparticles, the same tech in COVID vaccines, installs a permanent biological firewall. According to doctors, the biggest cause of sudden events in high-risk patients is missed medication. With the new treatment, it is one and done. No repeat doses. Yes, the upfront cost is high, projected at 6 figures. But compare that to 30 years of injections and the $50,000 bill for a heart attack. It's a one-time investment versus a lifetime of adherence. For high-risk patients, this could be life-changing. It's not for everyone yet. Regulators want long-term safety data. Pregnant women and people with liver disease are excluded. This won't be at your pharmacy tomorrow, but the direction is clear. We are moving from treating disease to reprogramming risk itself. The silent killer that took icons like Whitney Houston might one day be obliterated. If a one-time gene therapy could prevent heart attack, would you take it?